Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. It's Orchid Lover here in Australia, and today I'm gonna show you this cute mini Phalaenopsis or moth Phalaenopsis, but this one is a mini one. So did you see the size? It's a cute little pot, and I used the lava rock this time. So you can see the lava rock here. There you are. And interesting about the cute miniature Phalaenopsis is, they call it LUDDEMANNIANA. You can spell it LUDDEMANNIANA. LUDDEMANNIANA Phalaenopsis is a miniature version of the Phalaenopsis. So they are not the regular size, they are the small size. So about more than 2 months ago, this one is blooming finally. After a few years that I'm taking care of this, it's finally give me a beautiful flowers. And this miniature Phalaenopsis LUDDEMANNIANA, actually they give you between 3 or 5 flowers, but it's really miracle because this year it gave me 6 flowers. And then, sorry to say about that, guys, I show you the dried flowers now. And then as you can see, there is only one cute flowers left on this LUDDEMANNIANA orchid Phalaenopsis. And this one got a dark purple leaf, as you can see, and the very light yellow there. And on the top, like a nose, it got nice white color. And also I show you how the so cute miniature Phalaenopsis dry flowers, this one here after all. And look at the stem, it's a purple color. It's kind of very light lilac color stem of the flowers. See, this is what happened. It's just pulled off a few days ago, so I thought I'd just keep it, so I'm just gonna show you. And there is another more on the back fall off too. I can't find the other one. Here you are. See, there are really 6 flowers here. 2, 4, 3, 4, 5. 5 here. Yeah, 5 here, dried one already fall off, and the other one is left for me. So I thought I got really beautiful time today. So I'm gonna set aside this one, put in here. I really got really good time today. I'm not just really busy right now, so I'm just really take the time to give you the updates of this beautiful LUDDEMANNIANA cute miniature Phalaenopsis. And about this one is very interesting because this one is I got a little bit research about this LUDDEMANNIANA fall miniature one. It's actually native from Manila, Philippines. As you can see, they are really humidity weather there, and it's hot, long summer. It's a lot of long summer season in Manila, Philippines. So they like this LUDDEMANNIANA orchids. They like the half shade and half light, but not very direct sunlight. The same with the other normal regular Phalaenopsis. This, they really like the half light and half shade. So they like really hot. And also it's really bloom for you for a little bit time, especially the flowers. It's a beautiful one, and I like the details of the flower. See that one, kind of reddish or very light purple or very light dark purple, and kind of yellow spotted on it, and it's very nice, and I like the details on them. And look at this, it got really cute small leaves compared to the regular Phalaenopsis. And I can see heaps of or a lot of beautiful, yummy, delicious, healthy roots in here right now. And I thought they really like the lava rocks too. So actually I'm gonna discuss to you about this LUDDEMANNIANA miniature Phalaenopsis. She got really a habit of making a cakeis. You know what is a cakeis, guys? It's a small beautiful baby orchids. Take a look at this. Ta-da! There you are. See? they have a habit of making a cakes. So I advise you, when the flowers like this will finish, like this one right now, this one, if this one is falling off like the other one already dried, brown color, so I keep the dried flowers. So once this one is pulled off, don't kill it. Like hang on, I show you the scissor. You know, when we have a normal Phalaenopsis orchids, regular one, when all the flower is gone, we used to cut the stem, or not, you know, so give the plants a chance to recover and be healthy, back to their life, back to the healthy again. But this one is different. We don't have to cut this after the flower is falling off. Just leave it like that, because it will turn like this. See this one? It's very nice, so you don't have to cut it at all. So this one from the stem, this is stalk from the flowers, spike from the flowers, and then I just leave it like that, and then voila, finally this one is just result of this. This is a little baby orchids here, see, and then this is approaching. There is another one leaves approaching as well, which is pretty good, and I'm really happy for the result of this. And this one also, other summer, you have to give them only once a week water, just once a week, and you don't have to crazy putting a lot of water here everywhere. Instead, you have to give them a time to dry it up. It depends in the weather again. Here in Australia, we are approaching a really hot summer. Kind of everywhere in the world, the weather is so crazy, and we have a lot of bushfire here, and it's really raging bushfire. But finally now, it's just been flooding again in Sydney, part of New South Wales area. Anyhow, just recovering now. Well, we come back to this subject. This one is habit of forming the little cakes, little babies. Here you are, and I'm very happy for this, because there is a very nice healthy roots too. So you, in the summertime, you have to give them once a week water, and then this one love moist all the time. So what I did, I just always moist them through my water bottle. So I use the water bottle, I spray them, that I make sure this one on the top, I always dried it up. I make sure for that they give a chance to dry. So it's very beautiful plants, and probably later on I'm going to pot this as well, because I didn't touch this for a while. I didn't repotting this for a while, because I just leave it. Let's see, I'll try if she like the lava rock. Voila, she really did, and I just leave it for now, and then give me nice beautiful flowers. So you can see, I even give you the close up on this. I hope the camera is alright for this. Alright, this one, guys, see the details of the beautiful flowers here. One left right there, bam bam, it's a beautiful one, and I love it. And this one here, one stalk here, or the flower stalk is gone, so I just leave it, because there is another one is approaching to another, maybe the cake is approaching. Actually, I got a 1 2 3 4 5. I actually got 5 stalk for flowers. Oh, this one is a cake, so we minus this. We minus counting this, I got only 1 2 3. I had a tree spike for the flowers. How amazing is that? And as you can see here, right here, is a beautiful chunky, beautiful, nice green baby roots. See in the bottom what's going on in the bottom? Still green, so which means they don't need water right now. So I just leave it like that, and then later on I just give him a big shot of water. You can dip this or dunk this in the bucket or whatever you use. So you put the bucket full of water and just dunk this for 5 minutes at least. You can do that for your miniature LUDDEMANNIANA orchids, and they are really beautiful. Once you dunk it in the water with full of water. Put this in the big You know, you can put a regular size of basin or whatever. You dunk them, and then 10 minutes or 5 minutes later take it out and then let it dry. And then that's the reason I got this one. You can buy it anywhere in the online shopping now, or the Orchid shop. And this one is good for hanging. So like the hanging one, you like to hang it, too easy to dry as well, I guess, and more air coming up in the bottom and in the top. So also this one, in the winter time you have to put this fertilizer too, but only like once a month fertilizer. But in the growing period, like a spring season, like a spring season to summer, you have to give them fertilizer. The recommended apply at least once a week, or every second week, or every 2 weeks. You can do like that for this one. But when this winter coming up, like Australia, we approaching winter maybe within 2 months or 3 months soon. So I don't give them fertilizer at all. So I just leave it like that, because they are in dormant, so they do need really a lot of fertilizer. So I just leave it like that, or maybe I just did it once a month only, the fertilizer. In the flowering of this, in the winter time, I only give them like every 2 weeks, so they don't like really wet and cold wet, you know, just like us. We don't want to get wet, we don't want to get cold feet. And also these beautiful flowers of this LUDDEMANNIANA Phalaenopsis, it will last you other 2 months or more at least. That's it. Unlike the normal big Phalaenopsis orchids, they last you at least 4 or 5 months, so sometimes even 6 months. But this cute one, it will last you 2 months or 3 months at least, the most. That's it. And it blooms in the from spring through summer. It's a very good, yeah. Okay. As you can see, I already tell you about the fragrant orchids. Actually, this is a fragrant miniature Phalaenopsis orchid. You have to put the nose so close in this, especially in the morning, early in the morning and midday. You have to put the nose here really so close, and then you can smell the very nice light fragrance perfume on this beautiful cute miniature LUDDEMANNIANA Phalaenopsis. See, as you can see, you can't find this anywhere. You can't find this anywhere in the shop. We bought this last time a few years back in the beautiful local nursery, and very lovely ladies, and the owner is so beautiful and helpful, and we love to always purchase them in our local nursery. Okay too in the normal shop, but this one is good. Oh, this one little bit cut, kind of little bit die off on me, so I cut it off. So okay guys, I hope you really love my video today, and I hope it's helped you as well to get this beautiful cute miniature Phalaenopsis. This one here, right here. I get close up the beautiful flowers right now for you guys. Enjoy this beautiful perfume orchid Phalaenopsis. Call it LUDDEMANNIANA miniature fowl. I hope you have you like this video. Please give me subscribes, thumbs up even if you like this, and also hit the beautiful notification bell on the top so you can follow what's my update very soon in the future. Thank you so much everybody, to all our loyal friends here, YouTube subscribers. Thank you so much. I don't have to really tell you who you are one by one. There is few back there in our subscribers. Thank you so much guys, dear friends. I hope you are all well, and I hope you have a wonderful day here, orchid lover here in Australia. Thank you so much, and see you very soon. Tata, take care everyone. Bye, see you soon.